back again with another customer install. This is going to be a 4-speaker audio build. It's the same exact package that we sell on our website. Audio package. So we're doing the fairing and the OEM saddlebag lids. We've already ordered the lids for the customer. We already have them pre-trimmed, pre-assembled, and everything ready to go for this install. And I just wanted to touch base. This package we're installing on this bike is our go-to package that we have listed on our website. So if you're considering one of these audio packages, they're the ones that we recommend, our go-tos on our website. But let's go ahead and show you this bike, show you everything that's on it now, and I'm gonna pull it on in because I have to get this bike done and get it back to the customer. If you're familiar with Florida, you know it loves to rain whenever it wants to. So we had to bring the bike inside. This is just gonna be a quick little walk around just to show you what the bike is now. Like I said, this bike is a 2023 and the customer has 220 miles on it. So the bike is extremely new. I don't think, honestly, outside of a RAM mount, phone mount, he has done anything to it, or quad lock, my apologies. He still has a tank sticker on it, which we'll pull some of these off. Nothing inside the bags. There's the Indian owner's manual. He's got a helmet in it. Got the custom dynamics, bag lights, and that is about it. So I'm gonna go push this in the bay and start disassembling it, get this audio system done. This bike is all wrapped up. Again, this is a 4-speaker audio build with the fairing and the saddlebag lids. We're gonna flip y'all around and let you go over this bike real quick, and then we're gonna do some songs for y'all, and the customer's on his way. 4-speaker audio package we offer on our website. So again, we put our amplifier here and our DSP over here. Everything is in the fairing with our fairing shroud, so no equipment has to be put in a bag or anything. In the fairing, again, we go with our tried and true Cicada Audio compression horn 6.5s, which give you a very good, clear sound that you can hear while you're riding. Doesn't matter the speed that you're at. Then we provided the OEM saddlebag lids. We pre-modified them and loaded the Cicada Audio Coaxial 6.5. This is a waterproof 6.5. It will help keep all the water out of the bags. And as you can see, ran it down the OEM channel all the way through here. Quick disconnect behind the bag. And we'll just show you the other bag to make sure y'all know no equipment has been put inside the bags. And there's our lid covers. So let's hear how it sounds.
Where the light at, remind me. If you looking for it, you know where to find me. You ain't paying for me, so you can't decline me. Can't go till the devil get behind me. Break, throw it up, can't throw it up. Break bread with my people, we gon' pull it up. If you price too high, you ain't been blowing up. If you ain't had a ooh wee, then you can't run with us. What's the word? Look alive, what's the business? Ooh wee. Can't believe God did it, ooh wee. Love forgive me, I was tripping, ooh wee. Can't believe God did it, ooh wee.
This
So we finished up this beautiful 23 Indian Challenger 4-speaker, and the customer's here to pick up his bike. So we're going to ask him what his thought process was, or what his thought was about the entire process of the communication between the two of us, and then what he thinks the system, how it sounds.
Well, start to finish, amazing. I would recommend anybody coming here and getting work done, because this is amazing, start to finish. Very easy to communicate with Brandon, and just beautiful.
Yep.
And then it sounds great. Can't wait to get it home.
Yeah, go out and put some miles on it. They don't have many miles on it now, so now they can go out and put some more miles on it and enjoy it. So, sir, as always, I appreciate the trust in the business and us taking care of it. And again, I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio. If you're looking for the best aftermarket solution for your Indy motorcycle, let us know.